But Shubman Gill with us. Shubman, terrific game of cricket. You had your moments there. At one stage, you were very much in it.
Yeah, definitely. I think a brilliant game of cricket. We were right in the game. Last 3-4 overs not going our way, but I think still a very good game of cricket.
Yeah, when those catches early doors, it did make a difference, didn't it? Because you could have pulled the momentum back.
Yes, definitely not easy when we dropped 3 sitters. I felt, especially in the power play, wasn't easy for the bowlers to control, and doesn't help when you drop 3 catches.
Now 227, there was due there, so that did help the batting side, batting second. Washington Sundar and Sai Sudarshan were there. What was the message sent out?
The message was simple, just play the game that you want to play, and the goal was the same for both of them, to try to make us win. And because of the due, yes, the wicket did become a little bit easier for us.
But if you look back at the season, you can be proud of the way your boys played. You were top of the table for a long time, and plenty of positives coming out.
Yes, definitely a lot of positives for us. Last 2-3 games, I don't think it went our way, but still credit to all the players, especially Sai. I think he was terrific in this season.
And what would you say would now, having seen this game, what was par on this pitch?
I think 210 would have been par on this wicket. Even in the last over, we were talking about if we can contain those 1 or 2 less sixes, it makes a huge difference.
Yes, it certainly did. Tough luck today, Shubman, but you've had a very good season, and take the positives away.
Thank you.
Breathing?
Oh, yes.
Was there a period when you weren't, when you were tense? We were watching your body language very carefully.
I mean, yeah, at one point of time, the game was even Steven. I thought the wicket got a little better in the second inning, and it started to come well, and they kind of got some rhythm. And at the same point of time, we realized we kind of need to hold our nerves and, back our balls.
From your point of view, what are the biggest pluses today for the Mumbai Indians?
I mean, the way Johnny batted and started, for him to make a debut for us, it's a very special franchisee coming and playing the way he played. And, the way Rowe batted, he took on, it took his time. And then once he got into the rhythm, it was beautiful. And I think everyone, it was just everyone, Gleeson coming and bowling, the way he bowled, Jassi being Jassi, Ashwini, everyone kind of chipped in well, and we held our nerves.
The guy batting the last over did all right too?
Sorry?
The guy batting in the last over did all right?
Yes, I was still maybe a couple of more. I would have liked it, but yeah, kind of. And when you see on games, important games, all this little margins helps, and we wanted to push in batting, and I think we were able to do that.
How does it feel? And I've asked you this question before, but today was an eliminator. Even when you've got 228 on the board, how does it feel knowing you've got 4 overs of Jasprit Bumrah? And how did you decide which over to bowl him?
It's very simple. Whenever you think that the game is going far, just get him. So it's not really difficult to bring. Just with Bumrah, when you have that, it's a luxury. Plus, it's like Mumbai. Housing prices. He's that expensive. So when I have him under our team, it's just whenever the situation feels a little tough and the game is going far, I just need to throw the ball, and the magical stuff he does is always.
How did you decide whether to bowl him 18 or 19 or 20 when you had that 1 over left of his?
It was, I was just watching the scoreboard, and I just thought that, if we can keep some extra runs at the end, I think I had the bowlers who can bowl it. So it was important that Jassi comes and kind of bowls, that over and kind of make sure that margin becomes a little longer. And, it was that I just saw the situation and just felt that Jassi, you come, put the margin a little far, so it becomes a little easier for the others.
Quick turnaround now, just rest and rock up for the next game?
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be very important to recover well. We travel, and look forward to the next game.
Right, Rohit's waiting there, so I'll let you go. Well done, well played today.
Thank you.
दोस्तों यहाँ पे देखना सुमन गिल क्या बोल रहे हैं, यानी कि वो अपना सारा का सारा दोस्त यानी अपने टीम पर बता रहे हैं, यानी कि उनकी फील्डिंग अच्छी नहीं थी और ख़ुद की बैटिंग पे बात नहीं कर रहे थे। हालांकि उनको ज़्यादातर हार का वजह ही मतलब कि उनकी बैटिंग को बताया जा रहा है। उन्होंने खुद मतलब कि ये जो इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं तो उनको साफ तौर पे बताना चाहिए था कि मेरी बैटिंग में भी बहुत सारी कमियां आई, और यानी कि अगर साई सुदर्शन से कोई भी साथ देता तो आराम से जीटी ये मैच जीत जाती। और जीटी आराम से ये क्वालिफाई कर सकती थी, मगर यहाँ पे मतलब कि जो जिम्मेदारी लेनी चाहिए थी जीटी की टीम को वो उन्होंने नहीं ली और बहुत सारे कैचेस छोड़ी। उसी के ऊपर सुमन गिल बात कर रहे हैं, हालांकि अपनी बैटिंग के ऊपर बात नहीं कर रहे हैं।